Okay, today we have to talk about something super important if you're thinking of using Western Union. I bet you've definitely heard of them. Even if you've never sent money or do it rarely, you know it's like the OG of money transfer options. But in this video, let's shed a light on the small print, the prices, and the exchange rate. What we will find out is whether Western Union transfers will actually cost you as much as stated on their website. At the end of the video, you'll also discover an alternative that could potentially be much cheaper for you. I'm Andrea from Wise. Let's dive right in. So, let's take a look at a specific example of a money transfer route. We'll consider a transfer from the USA to the UK, converting dollars to pounds. This example will help you follow the same steps for your route and calculate the fees. For convenience, let's set the transfer amount at $1,000 US. Next, let's choose the receiving method as a bank deposit and the payment method as a transfer from a bank account. The calculator shows us that the amount the recipient will get is £777 with 60 cents. We see that we're not charged anything for the transfer since the transfer fee is zero. It seems like we're getting a generous discount. Great, one might think. I'm getting a free service. But wait, next to the transfer cost, we see a footnote leading us to the small print. Most likely, very few will follow through and actually read it, but there's something important written there. Western Union also makes money from currency exchange. So, the fact that this transfer includes currency conversion is an opportunity for Western Union to hide its fee within the exchange rate rather than showing it openly in the calculator. Now, let's calculate the actual cost. To do this, we need to find the mid-market exchange rate on Google for the US dollar to British pound pair and compare it with what Western Union offers. By doing so, we see that the exchange rate differs, resulting in a commission of around £8 for this transfer. Keep in mind that this promotional offer might not exist, meaning the transfer cost could increase as well. Additionally, it may vary depending on the payment method. If we choose to pay with a credit card, we'll have to pay an extra $25 at the moment of this recording. What's the takeaway from all of this? It's crucial to closely track the commission Western Union includes in the exchange rate for your transfer and make sure it doesn't become substantial. But here's the good news. You don't have to do that. Instead, consider using Wise for your money transfers. We use the mid-market exchange rate. That's why with Wise, you see the real transaction cost without hidden fees. With Wise, you can send money to over 160 countries worldwide. Sign up via the link here or in the description. Moreover, if you want to compare Wise and Western Union directly for your transfer, you can use our price and comparison tool, pick currencies, set the transfer amount, and then see the difference in the transaction cost and what the recipient will get. For example, let's say I want to send 1,000 British pounds to the recipient in euros. As shown by the comparison calculator, at the time of this recording, my savings with Wise would be around 19 euros when paying from a bank account. By the way, it's worth noting that it's not just Western Union that earns from their exchange rates. There are many such services out there. So if you ever decide to use some other service for your money transfers, make sure to check the exchange rate for any hidden fees. It's lovely how some providers come up with their own words for marked up exchange rates. They'll call it competitive, great, but not mid-market ones, because mid-market rates have no hidden charges. And these are the ones you get with Wise. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments. We'll be happy to respond. And consider watching this video about all Wise functionality. Wise is much more than just money transfers. Until next time!